shit slapping the back, bro.
Alright, this is gonna be day one of the Rafting Gone Wild video. We're out in well, we're gonna go to freaking Sacramento right now. About to go to the American River. I mean, a lot of people say it's like a basic ass river, but I mean, we've seen videos and stuff of people going crazy over there, so we're gonna figure this out. Out here with my boy Corden T, the other two over there. Whoa, I'm tripping. Car behind us. Yeah, but we're driving right now. And we'll get back once we're on the road.
Yeah, we're here early at the Airbnb, but right now we're trying to figure out who's gonna get the master bedroom. And
New challenge. Whoever gets the most matches on Tinder is getting master.
I'm weak.
we're about to settle this right now.
About to settle this, playing 13. Yes, we're playing cards. Whoever gets the master.
We're playing Tinder count.
Tinder counts?
We're playing heads up.
I'm gonna download that shit right now. Hold on. All right, bro. What did you bring?
One and only bicycle cards.
All right.
We're up at 13 right now for the master bedroom.
Do it on the side. Do it on the side.
Yeah, I didn't bring the blue ones because you know it's the dead niggas.
You can't just.
Hey, tell the owner to play too. Smack that shit. 2 o'clock.
Don't do that.
Keep it 2 o'clock. There's two. Daryl put 2 o'clock. There's 2 more twos left.
You don't gonna beat that?
It's your turn.
You'll beat it.
It's your turn.
If you can beat it, then beat it.
It's your turn though.
It's your turn.
But it's a 2 clubs.
Yeah, but it's your turn.
So you either pass. Daryl put that. I threw that.
Yeah. So
It's your turn. Can you beat the 2 o'clock?
You already know what's
pass.
happening.
if you can beat it, then fucking.
Oh, you pass. Oh. Shit, we pass then.
So if you want to beat it, you can beat it. If you don't want to beat it, you can beat it.
Yeah, I
If
can
not,
beat it.
then it comes back to me.
Alright.
You beat it.
Alright.
Wait, no? Oh, yeah, go ahead. That nigga's a card saver.
What are you talking about? You already won.
5, 6, 7.
Whoa,
No, he didn't win. He has 1 more card left.
Oh shit.
5, 6, 7.
Oh, I thought you was already done.
Oh, that's why
Oh, that's getting slander, bro.
Oh, tripping, bro.
Can you beat the 5, 6, 7?
No.
I can't beat it either.
What?
What the fuck, bro?
Master bed, bro.
Fuck
Hey,
this game.
let me get the camera. Let's go. Let's go. We got the master, baby. We got the master, baby. That's what's up. What happened?
Oh my god.
That's why I said beat the 2. So I said you have to turn the key knob to unlock. Just push down to unlock. Press this one.
This is how you know people shouldn't have passed the 1st grade.
Huh?
Fire, bro.
AC on? No.
Play drink again.
Teacher,
So we'll get 2 bottles.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
For
whoa.
tonight, we're gonna kill 1 bottle for sure by tonight.
Whoa.
Some Trulies on the side, and then we have another bottle for tomorrow.
Calm down, Blair.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, we just jumped in. Y'all niggas are trying to jump out the plane. We just hopped on the plane. Bro, I think we're going to jump out. Damn, we get it. You want to go to the superstore? Fuck. You get it,
The
bro.
bounty's there, dog. The bounty's there.
Fuck the bounty. Everybody's going to the superstore. I don't want to go there.
He said,
Let's go to Corey. Let's go to Corey's house. Let's chill for a bit.
all 4 was still alive. Hey, give us 1.
Well, all I know is that we can't drink like that. We're finna go to fucking Top Golf.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna get like $20 to get it. Can you show me a space over here?
Bro, this is serious. Yeah, bro, don't die. He's serious. Oh. Damn. All right, so we just woke up. It's super early in the morning right now. Gonna try to prank the other two. Well, one of them just woke up, right? But I'm trying to get the other two. So see if we can do it. Turn the light though. Bruh, wake up. What so?
Who's out? One person? Yeah, these are your fours here, then we got a 6. You got to add 2 small.
Bro, what? 2? 2 and 2.
I'm gonna drop some trash bags in here, okay?
Oh, yep. Put more. Damn, what? We gotta bring the thing over here? All right, let's go. Right. Oh, we're going to that? I ain't got money. Huh? Alright, go ahead. Oh shit.
I'm going back too low.
Oh, hey.
It's too low. You gotta push, you gotta get up.
Oh, bro. Oh, everything's getting wet for sure.
He's not lying, bro.
Damn, water hella cold. Hold on. Hey. Hey, bro. All right, we good. All right, chill, D. Roll your float.
Why don't you go straight, bro? And order. Go.
1, 2, 3. Go in the current, go in the current.
I can't even lie, I probably see him out in spin.
Alvin!
I got hit on.
Alvin!
Hit on me, man.
Are we coming? We coming. Oh, we're back. Oh, damn, bro. Chill. Hold on to theirs real quick. Oh, there you go. Hey, bro, let's go swing.
Hey.
Bro, what?
Damn, bro. Hey, my sunglasses flew out.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh. What?
Oh, shit, slapping the back, bro.
Bro, it's hella cool if you like hang off the side. Watch out, behind you, behind you, behind you. Oh, damn, bro. You wetter than us, cuz. Hey, we're going to the wall, bro. This way. We good. Oh, damn. What are you doing? What are you doing? And they all. Hey. That up, that's it, go. And dope, that's it, go. All I gotta say is gonna be a lot of editing this weekend. Oh, damn, silent fire. Oh. And we linked in, it's all good. Bro, you can do it.
Hey, carry the fucking raft, bro.
Hey, let's go, D. Come on. D, you can do it, bro. Corey's like, don't leave me, don't leave me. Right there, right there. Jump, fool. Ah.